Is it yours? No, I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, please subscribe, hit the like button and press the notification bell so that every time I post a video you're here to vibe with me. So guys, I've been here in Kampala. There's this mall, and then I was just there entering the mall to get a drink. Let me show you the drink I got. Some drink, okay. And I wanted to try out on this snack. It's called Crescent or something like that. And then there's this bird. I don't know how it's called in English. Well, Claire, how is that bird called in English? Marabusto. Then it entered the supermarket, and then I had to video for you guys to see it. So watch this video. It's a very small clip. I wasn't going to post a video today, but anyway, since I got this, why not? Like, why not? Anyway guys, comment below if you've ever seen this happen in a big city, like whereby a bird just come and enter itself into the city into the city shopping center. So anyway, yeah, that was it. I think this is my last day here in the city, so tomorrow I'll be in the village. Guys, I was sick, but now I'm feeling better. Like I've recovered. Not really, like you can see my eyes, can tell that I was sick. So I've done some, this is my braids, I've done my braids, and yeah, I love them. So guys, enjoy this video and let me know after.
Shopping. Is it common here in Uganda?
No, it's the first time I've seen this. Is it yours?
No, I don't know.
Shopping.
Yeah, wants to do some shopping. Is it common here in Uganda?
No, it's the first time I've seen this. Is it yours?
No, I don't know.
Oh, don't beat it.
Don't beat it, don't beat it.
Anyways, it's just entered the mall and it's moving. Let me show you where it is, guys. You know, we are just here shopping. I need to get it in front. See. Oh, don't be it. Oh, my friend, I think he's sick. Huh? Guys, there it is. It has gone in the parking. Let me just follow it. Papi doesn't come to it. So this mister is from, oh my goodness. I hope he doesn't invite me. So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you've enjoyed the video how I have, because I was shocked. I'm like, what is this? So most people be like, in Africa, do you travel and then you see these animals in the city? Yeah, in Nairobi they have a game park in the city. So in Uganda here, birds can go for shopping. Like literally you can send a bird to go for shopping. I'm lying, but I think it was sick or it looked weak. I don't know if it was because it was moving on tiles and they were like slippery, but it looked like it doesn't have energy. Now I'm all here feeling sorry for that bird. I think it is sick. Yeah. So guys, anyway, that was it for that video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and see you in Pakwach. Bye.
fun. Come on,
This
man.
is okay, come on.
Come on.
This is fine.
No, I think I get more mad, but you can't get that mad. This is so funny.